Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2018 GMC Denali Terrain, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine admitted to the 8-speed automatic transmission. Of course, this vehicle is all-wheel drive as well. Once inside the interior of this vehicle, right on the door, we do have the power mirrors, power locks, as well as the windows and the memory seating. Moving on to the steering wheel here, black leather and heated for collision warning, speak to talk, cruise control, and audio controls all on the steering wheel here. This vehicle does have 35,654 kilometers on it. Push button start. Moving into the center here, 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, and climate controls. Heated and cooled driver's seats. Parking assist. We do have the multi-select 4x4 system as well in this vehicle. Beautiful jet black leather interior with the wood trim pieces. On the exterior of this Denali, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package with the all-weather tires. Made it up with the all-wheel drive system of this vehicle. You can drive confidently no matter where you're headed. This is a Denali, so it does have lots of chrome all over it here. The door handles, the lower trim piece, upper trim pieces above the windows, your roof rails, some trimming on the rear bumper, and as well as the dual chrome exhaust tips. Now this vehicle does have a trailer hitch coming out the rear as well. Just remove one piece of trim and it is exposed. You have the hands-free lift tailgate there as well, LED lighting in the front and in the rear there too. Moving back to the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split, as well as it is both heated as well. Dual USB outlets down there. We do have the sunroof that's fully enclosing the cab and those beautiful rubberized mats. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on this beautiful 2018 GMC Denali Terrain. We hope you come down and appreciate the luxury and the utility of this vehicle down at GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.